Hi, I'm Carrie Peddie with REMAX Central. I'm here today with my guest, Sidhu from BMO. Today we're going to discuss financing options for newcomers to Canada. So let us know what BMO can do for my clients.
So thanks, Carrie. For a lot of newcomers to Canada, there's lots of different information out there in terms of, what do they need to qualify, what are the eligibility requirements. A lot of newcomers to Canada, they think that, they need to have a long established credit history in Canada,
Right.
or a long established time on job, and sometimes it's not the case. So newcomers to Canada actually fall under, three main categories, and it is related to how long you've been in Canada. So category one is if you've been here for about 5 or 6 months, and then another category is if you've been here for about a year,
Okay.
and then another category is if you've been here, you just came here, it's been a week, and you got the money and you're gung-ho to buy a house. So, we first kind of look at, the newcomers and which category they fall under. So, really quickly is if you've been here for about 5 or 6 months, the minimum down payment that you would be looking at is about 10%. And with that, you would need either a valid work permit in Canada, or you would need a permanent residency card,
Okay.
along with employment of at least 3 months. Okay. If you've been here for a little bit longer, you will have the advantage of putting less down payment. So you can put 5% down, but then what we look for is a rent letter. So from your landlord saying that you've been renting for about a year, and also a utility type bill, like a cell phone bill or car insurance. And so that would be it. Now, there are some times where we can get those clients qualified for, even after 7 or 8 months. So they look at it on a case-by-case basis. And finally, there's the person that's newcomer that's been here for a very short period of time. They have the money. It's our non-resident program, and it's a considerable amount more for down payment. It's 35%. However, you don't need to have a job or income or even a credit history.
Wow.
So there is some advantages in that, and every person and every case is unique. So we'd encourage them to pick up the phone and call us, and we can have a conversation with everyone who's interested.
That's awesome. Great information, Perry.
Thank you.
So take a look at my website for a link. You can take a look at Perry's website as well and get in touch. Another great reason to be buying in Calgary 2016.